How to manage preload page on UC browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage preload page on your UC browser easily and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple, go to UC browser. Now this is the home page. Go down here and click on those three lines, and now click on the settings option here. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now click on browsing settings here, the second option. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is go to the preload page, click on it and choose if you want to disable it or choose any option from here. Very easy, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.